I would say that this is the habit of the opposition, especially the Congress, to malign the image of constitutional bodies. This is not something new. If they have decided to attack the chair of the CEC, I think it's not new, and I think this is expected from the Congress and from the opposition parties, going by the way they have been behaving. See, the point is that the constitutional bodies cannot just be maligned or demeaned like this. The Chief Election Commissioner of the country is a constitutional post, and it is not an attack on Sri Gyanesh. It's an attack on a constitutional body, and that is the Election Commission. And if you can see the history, the recent history, I think you will be seeing that one after the other they have been attacking the constitutional bodies. They attack the parliament. They don't like the proceedings that are held in the parliament. Then again they attack the speaker's chair. That means they are also not very comfortable with Article 93 under which the speaker is chosen. So it's not a question of attacking Sri Om Birlaji. It was a question of attacking the speaker's chair. Now again, third, they have shifted the goalpost. They are also very good at shifting the goalpost. So now they have shifted the goalpost. They want some kind of relevance in the country, and that is why now they are talking of attacking the CEC chair. My point is that the CEC is a constitutional body, and he or she, whosoever is in the chair, will have to perform the duty as per his or her job chat. So if the SIR is being done, if stringent measures are being taken across the country to ensure that electoral reforms do take place in the country and all the elections are held in a proper manner, fair manner, transparent manner, I think we should all commend the efforts of the Election Commission and not actually belittle them or demean them. हास्यास्पद बात और क्या हो सकती है? देखिए, इतना अर्थ वहन कर रही है कांग्रेस उड़ीसा राज्य में और विधायकों को बंगलोर में रख रही है, अन्य राज्यों में रख रही है। उन्हें डर है कहीं न कहीं कि कहीं वोटिंग भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पक्ष में न हो जाए। देखिए, ऐसा है कि हम सब जानते हैं कि ये जो हमारे चतुर्थ कैंडिडेट हैं, ये निश्चित तौर पर आदरणीय दिलीप राय जी ही होंगे, जीतेंगे, जीत हासिल करेंगे। और कांग्रेस जो भी करे, ये तेन प्रकारेण चेष्टा तो निश्चित तौर पर करेगी अपने विधायकों को साथ रखने का। लेकिन मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ जो कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष हैं उनसे कि क्या उन्हें अपने विधायकों पर विश्वास नहीं, आस्था नहीं है, ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं, फेथ नहीं है, इसलिए ऐसा कार्य कर रहे हैं? तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि इससे उनकी पार्टी की, उनके दल की दुर्बलता भी दिखती है।